Okay, here's my progress so far. I hung the shelves. I've just purchased, I ordered from Amazon 2 hangers for the guitars. I'm gonna put them on the wall, like right here. I'll move that picture somewhere and have the guitars there. And this is Christmas, you know, seasonal decor I've got to get put up. Well, not that very front picture, but you know, that's the box for some of my winter decor that I've still got out. That's some everyday decor that I will replace with my winter decor and swap it out. So that won't be here. This looks better. I put my cameo over here on this little table. I have those shelves underneath that I need to work on. That garbage can will actually be moved back over here once this table is out. And I got all my paints organized. Definitely looks better. I'm very happy with it. It's not a showroom by any means, but it meets the needs. And yeah, so this is the progress so far, and I'm trying to get my drawers organized. I still have some stuff in the closet that I've got to move out, but I'm gonna try to get me like a tall, not a tall, but like a bookcase to go in my cabinet, in my closet, that I can put some stuff on and see what I have, because I found stuff that I'd forgotten I had, and surely I'm not the only one. Hey y'all, so today I am headed, first I gotta go to the bank, and then I am going to my aunt's house, who lives right up the road from me, because Granny's coming over and my aunt is doing lunch for us today, which means she's ordering something and going to pick it up because she don't cook. So that's gonna be fun. We're just gonna hang out. My cousin's actually off of work that lives close by, so him and his wife will be there as well, and we are going to just have lunch and laugh and cut up, and it's gonna be a really good time. And then when I get home, I'm gonna try to get back into the craft room and do a little bit more. Another one of my aunts is gonna be doing some stuff at her house, and she may have a bookcase for me that I want to go in that closet. That way I can utilize those shelves and put, I have a couple of like summer pillows that I don't want to put up in the attic right now because I'm fixing to be pulling them out, so I can put those on there and just kind of, I have a few other things that I want to be able to put on those shelves and just kind of know what I have, because y'all, I found stuff I had even forgotten that I had bought, and that is just not cool in my opinion. That is just not good, and I need to get in there, and I don't need to buy anything else. I need to use up what I have, and I'm really trying to purge and get rid of stuff because I just have too much stuff, and I'm trying to really just kind of clean up, clean out, and it's just a mess, but that's what I'm trying to do. But I'm really liking the way that that room is looking. And James's, the holders, the wall mounts for his guitars are supposed to be in today, and I can't wait to get those put up. Of course, I may make him put those up just so he can make sure they're really good and anchored into the wall, because I don't want anything happening to his guitars. He loves them, and one of the boys come over not too long ago, and I was like, where is he at? And I could hear him, I could hear him. He was back there playing the guitar, so it's a fun thing for him and his boys to do. So I want to make sure nothing happens to them. So that's all I have going on right now. It's really not much of an exciting week. Today is actually January the 19th, and tomorrow is my son's birthday, his last year in his 20s. I cannot believe I'm fixing to have a 29-year-old. And then in March, I'm going to have a 27-year-old. Where does time go? I mean, they're catching up with me. I don't know how I got a 29 and a 27-year-old, and I'm only 35. But anyway. Anyway, that's all I have going on. It's just one of those. Our weather is so super crazy right now. Like, it will be so cold and frosty in the mornings that yesterday, James went and he got a cup of water to pour over his windshield because it was so frosted, and that water froze. But then it'll warm up to be a beautiful, 65, 70 degrees. So it's just, I'm telling you, we can have all 4 seasons in one day here in South Mississippi. It's just crazy, but it's a beautiful spring-like day today. It's 65. It's beautiful. The sun's shining, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. And that is your weather for today. So I will check back with y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. Oh man, my mom and Aunt Sue went into a store, and I moved where we parked. Oh man, we was trying to trick them, but they spotted us, Granny. Doggone it. I need to do better when I'm hiding. You made me do it, Granny.
I didn't do it.
Oh, you instigated it. Y'all thought we left y'all?
Oh no, we tried to hide from y'all.
Huh? We tried to hide from y'all.
No, you didn't. Shut up.
Damn.
Yes.
We was trying to. I said I ought to move, and so they think we left them. And Granny said, "Yeah, do it." And now she's acting like she's innocent.
Well, you used to do that to Graham.
Where do you think you got all that mischievousness
And move
from?
the vehicle where he had
That thing right back there.
That Granny.
Well, both of them things right back
Your
there.
name, after your namesake and the one that raised
We
you.
got to stop somewhere and get some sour cream.
We are. We headed there now. Good morning. Today is January 20th, Cody's birthday. I had absolutely no intentions of getting dressed today. I had stuff I was going to do in the house. And I had no intentions of going anywhere today. I had planned on, like I said, doing some things in the house. And I knew that later on tonight, one of the boys, James's sons, was going to come over, him and his wife. So I was thinking about what I was going to cook. I like to have them stuff here to, munch on. So I'm sitting there drinking my coffee, and Sarah, Cody's wife, my daughter-in-law, texts me, and she's like, "Hey, we're meeting at noon for Mexican. Would really love it if you would come and surprise Cody." And I was like, I'm going to do my best to be there. So thank goodness I had gotten up, and right after James left, started, tidying up the house, the everyday stuff, and jumped in there and got dressed, and actually have, about an hour to kill before I need to leave. So I'm going to have lunch with my son and his wife, I don't know who else, for his birthday. Been texting my daughter, been texting James, been texting my mama. And so it's been quite a productive morning. So I am just got through washing a few dishes. And also tonight, found out that Jake and Deanna are not coming over tonight. They're going to come tomorrow night. So we had to kind of flip-flop what we had planned tonight. And we were going to film a cooking video with James. He's got another awesome recipe that he makes that I simply love. And I just know y'all will too. So we're going to film that tomorrow night. Instead, we're going to film that tonight. So there's that. So we're going to be filming another video tonight. So y'all wish me luck on that, with that thing. It's just, whew, he's a handful. But that's what's going on with me today. It's a beautiful day. It feels like spring. So I'm opening the windows. When I get back, I'm not going to open them before I leave. Well, I've got one open now. I'm going to close it. But then when I get back, I'm going to open up the house. And yeah, that's just what's going on today. So I hope y'all are having a great Wednesday. And I will check back in with y'all. I might see if they'll let me film some with them today, you know, with Cody. So we'll see. I did want to jump on here real quick and show y'all what I found yesterday at the thrift store. I mean, I need a thrift store intervention. Oh my goodness. Y'all, it is crazy. You know, after we had lunch, of course, my mom, it's all her fault. She's my enabler and it's her fault, but she wanted to go to the thrift store. So we did. And of course, she didn't find anything, but I did. And it was so funny, y'all, because what I'm fixing to show y'all, counting my cash I had in my purse, and I had $16. I mean, I didn't count my change, but in cash, I had $16. And I got up to the register, and my total was $15.99. I told the dude, I said, you must have counted my money. Anyway, I got some really cool things, and I'm going to share them with y'all. So let's get started. First of all, y'all know I'm kind of into shadow boxes and things because I made that one for my daughter, and then I made a little small one. I didn't film it because I just did it for James, for his son, a little one that I already had at the house. But I picked this up, this frame. It's kind of raised. It can be great for a shadow box, and it was $2.99. And honestly, I like it the way it is. I mean, I bought it with the intentions of the shadow box, but after looking at it, I mean, it says, bless our house as we come and go, bless our children as they grow, bless our family as we gather, bless us all with love and laughter. It's really beautiful the way it is. I know there's a glare, I'm sorry. But I bought that with the intentions of making a shadow box, but it may stay as is. My second thing I picked up, I thought this was so cute. And, you know, keep in mind spring. Look at this. Now, it looks like at one time that it may have had a little chain that it hung from, which is not a big deal if you wanted to do that, or you want to just kind of prop it on the shelf. Really cute. It was 99 cents, so I picked that up. The next thing I picked up were these two bookends. I thought they were really pretty. Ooh. And I have no intentions of painting them. I like them as is, and they were $2.99. Okay, and my next item, let me show you. Y'all know I've been trying to organize this room. So let me show you what I got. And I've already put a couple things in it. I got this basket. It's really, really heavy duty. It's awesome. And I've even like put my cup of paintbrushes in it. When I saw this, I snagged it up because it's really, I really needed it, and it's really sturdy, you know. And I paid $2.99 for that, so I love that. Okay. The final item I'm going to show you, y'all are going to swear I've lost my mind, and I might have, but I think there's so much potential. So let me show you what it is. And for the price too. This cute little lamp. Now, I'm going to do away with the shade. I'm going to do away with these ribbons tied around their neck. And I'm debating on whether to paint this or leave it the way it is after I clean it up, or maybe just kind of like antique it. I don't know, but this was $2.99, and I see so much potential. I mean, these were basically just tied on. Look at that. I mean, that already changed the look of it. Oh, so dusty. Look, I mean, isn't that so cute? With the, you could do this one or two ways. Well, there's multiple ways, but this is the two that come to mind, well, three. You could put a glam shade on this, kind of brush some gold on it, and make them glam. You could put like a little burlap shade on it and make it country. And then you could just paint it a certain way and make it French country with the right kind of shade. I just think it was so cute. I don't even know if it worked, quite honestly. I didn't even plug it up to try. I might ought to do that. Let me see. Point the camera over here. Let's see. Let me go get another bulb. I have 2 different size bulbs. Like, here's the tall one and the little one. So let's try the tall one, see if it works. Let's see. Oh, it don't work. That might be why it was at the thrift store. Oh, it does work. Look at there. How cute is that? Maybe this bulb is just blown. I don't know. So it does work. Yay, it works. I wonder why that other bulb, I don't think it's broke. Anyway, also let me show you what else I got. I got these from Amazon. They come in last night, and these are what I'm gonna put on the wall over there to hang up these guitars to get them out of the way and use them as art. They're pretty cool, so I just use them as art. So I did get these from Amazon, and these were very inexpensive, but they come with the anchors and screws and everything. So that's my thrift haul goodies, and my one Amazon purchase. I ordered 2, and it's all coming together slowly and surely. It's all coming together. So I'm shedding like you would not believe. I hate to wear black because, honest to goodness, I shed worse than any dog or cat sheds, honestly. But I don't know how I have a hair left in my head as much as I shed. But anyway, let me know what your favorite thrift store purchase was that I just showed you. I'm so excited to kind of get to figure out what I'm going to do with them. All right, I'm going to start putting the stuff up and gather myself up, and then I'm going to head and have lunch with Cody. I forgot to show y'all, I did buy this yesterday with my little thrift haul. This is not for me. This was actually for my mother. It was $1.99. She wanted it. She didn't want to break a large bill for it. I was like, just throw it up there with mine. So that woman, she can always con me into anything. Cody, how's it feel? Last year of your 20s.
Oh, my back hurts a little bit. I can't see. You, Mom? Oh, it was you. I'm sorry. My bad. Got medium. Yeah.
Thank you, Sarah, for inviting his mommy.
This has been great. Thank you, babe.
So sweet. And she even had cake and ice cream.
And ice cream and a gift that she shouldn't have got me.
And his favorite kind of cake. Isn't chocolate your favorite kind?
Yes. Yes.
Wonder where you get that from.
I don't know.
His daddy. So it's been a great day today. And I'm just waiting on James to get home. We're going to film our cooking video. So y'all stay tuned for that. And I got Buster on my lap, doing a little bit of editing. I'm fixing to get into the comments on today's video. And until next time, bye y'all.